All right, class. So after you click on the link in your chapter two assignment, it'll bring you to this page, and from here you would click on Start Trading, and it'll take you to this page where you would register for your Investopedia account. So you would enter your email address, the username you'd like to use, and your password. And then after you've entered that, you click on Register. And after you click on register, you'll see this next page, which will be their email verification. So they'll send you an email to the email address that you entered, and you have to click on the link. It'll open up another window in that link after you've verified your email address, and you'll get this page. It'll come up and it'll give you a pop up basically with kind of a walkthrough on how to use a simulator. You could actually do that if you like, but you'll come to this page once you've registered your account, and they'll give you $100,000 account, and you'll be in the Investopedia trading game. If you look at the upper right hand corner here, and if you click the drop down, it'll only say Investopedia trading game. So it automatically puts you in the Investopedia game. So this is important for all of you to know. This is not the game that you will be trading in for the class. In order to trade for the class, you'll actually have to go to the Games tab here and click on Games. And I guess you may or may not have to sign back in. I don't know why it's asking me to do that again. But once you sign in, go to Games, and we're going to go to Join Game here. And you're going to click on Join Game. And you can a game lookup. You can actually look the game up if you type in WLAC. It should pop up here at the bottom. WLAC Fall 2022 is the private game that has been set up for you, and all you have to do is click on the plus for the join, and you'll be able to join the game. All right, the password has been entered, or the password is available for you. So if we go back here to the assignment, um, uh, make sure you fill out the Google form, which is going to ask you for all your information. But basically, follow the instructions here in your assignment as far as your username. So you want to take a look at that first before registering, so that you're using the proper convention for the username. If you already have an Investopedia account, that's fine. You can use that account. You don't have to create a new account, use a new email or anything like that. You can go ahead and use that Investopedia account, and that account, you can do the same thing. You'll go to Games, Join Game, and you can look up WLAC and come down to our class game, which is WLAC Fall 2022. So you'd actually have to join this game in order to get credit for this assignment, and in order to track your performance for the rest of the semester, and get credit for any for your performance in terms of any additional points that you can earn at the end of the semester. And again, if you outperform my performance within the game, you earn additional bonus points as well. So if you have any questions in regards to how to register, make sure you send me a PM or an email, and I'll be glad to help. Oh, so the next thing for you, I believe in the assignment, it asks you for the Google Forms to fill that out. And if you click on Google Forms, it'll take you to the forms where it's asking for your Investopedia username and email. Just go ahead and enter that information here in this form and submit. That is one of the requirements of the assignment. Also, here at the bottom, it says, in order to get full credit for this assignment, please submit screenshot of your Investopedia portfolio page showing your screen name, which is worth 10 points, and the Google form, which is worth 10 points. So the screenshot that you will need to take, if you go back to your Investopedia, um, you could actually click here on the icon where you would have a picture or whatever it is. And you can click on account settings, and you can take a screenshot of this page, which shows your username and email address. So you can screenshot just this area here, or you can screenshot the whole page and submit that along with your submission for Chapter 2 Investopedia assignment, and that will fulfill that requirement. Okay, so you want to make sure that your username shows up in the screenshot that you take. Um, I believe that's all you need to know for this assignment. So again, if you have any further questions, please go ahead and send them to me via private message or via email. Good luck this semester, and I wish you all the best.